Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share Tempo videos on TikTok. Tempo is a video editing app that allows users to create professional looking videos using music sync, transition effects and template, and it is widely used for creating short form content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube Short. And once your video is edited in Tempo, sharing it on TikTok is quick and easy. And in this video you will learn how to share Tempo videos directly to TikTok step by step. First, you need to open to your Tempo app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. And from the home screen you need to open to the project you want to share on TikTok. Over here, once you reach into this dashboard, you can simply go to your profile icon in the bottom right. Over here you'll find the tons of drafts. What you can do is simply tap on the draft that you want to send to your TikTok, and over here before sharing you can preview or play to review a video. Make sure the clips, music, text and transition are properly synced and look the way you want. And next, tap on the export in the top right. Over here select to the TikTok icon over here, and the TikTok app will open automatically with your Tempo app video loaded into the upload screen. Now you can add your caption, hashtag, sounds or effect if needed, adjust to the privacy settings. And that is it. Sharing Tempo videos on TikTok is great, and thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.